What up, what up, what up? It's Bruce right here with a quick video, and I wanted to make this quick video on advertising. Different methods and ways you can advertise your business. So I have a business fan page. With the business fan page, you can simply create one by going on the side of the column and hitting creating a page. And if you create the page, you want to create yourself as a public figure. So with business fan pages, you want to add people to like your page. So you hit invite to like, and you just go down your list and invite people to like your page. Now, one thing about that is that the more people who like your page, the more traffic you can also get, because if they like your page, you can, when you advertise, not only will your friends see it, but their friends will see the ad as well. So you can get a lot more, I would say, exposure, if that makes sense, which is pretty cool. And like, you definitely want exposure when it comes to your business. All right, so this is one cool way. And then when I post an ad, you can boost the post. You can pause the promotion ad. So let's just say I wanted to boost this post. You can choose right here. It says people who like your page and their friends. So I can get my friends to see my page, and it lets you kind of know, like, how many people's gonna see it. It says for $55 budget, in one day I would get about 8,300 views, which is pretty cool. What I'm noticing though, the videos actually get more feedback than actual posts. I mean, you get feedback from both, but I'm just letting you guys know that, like, if you post a video, you'll get a hell of a lot of people hitting you up. See, my phone's going off right now because people are hitting me back from a lot of these ads. So you can do the ad for 7 days, 14 days, depending on your budget. Sometimes I just do it for one day, and I get a lot of views from that. So you can target, where you want to. When it comes to credit repair, of course, my demographic is from the ages of 27 and 64. All right. So let me cancel this promotion, and the ad will be advertised on your Instagram, your Facebook, and all over. So yeah, that's the advertising on that. Also, there's a tool called Instagress. So let me type that in, Instagress. Alright, so it's a pretty cool tool that I use to get a lot of people to follow me. It follows people for me, it unfollows people. I have me and my girl use it. So yeah, that's the follow cycle. It follows 1,000, unfollows 1,000. And anyone who used certain tags such as money, these are all the tags that I created, that people would hit, that it would basically follow their pages: mortgages, mortgage brokers, dream house, and it comments automatically on their pages. Hey, if you will own anyone with less than a perfect credit score, hit me up, and it has the number there. So that's pretty cool. You could also target what city, so you can really demographic to certain people who you want to follow. So I'm following people in Florida, Miami, West Palm Beach, different parts of Florida and California. So it's pretty cool. As you see right here, I got 476 likes, 17 comments. It unfollowed 182 people. I mean, it followed 182 people, and it unfollowed 116. And it's pretty cheap. I mean, Instagram, you can, for 30 days, it's $10 a month. It's really cheap, really cool tool to build your Instagram. And then it really gets all the engagements of real followers and real likes. So me and my girl use this to get a lot of feedback from people to like our page. All right. What else I want to talk about? If you're gonna also use road signs, you can use road signs. Go to Office Depot, or not Office Depot, but Home Depot, and get a sign, and get these signs. Get a lot of signs, 50 to 100 signs. I particularly say that if you're gonna post, and be careful, because the city will pick up your signs. You can get road signs. You can get some flyers made. Credit repair flyers. You can get some flyers made, and if you want to go the cheap route, you can get the ones that look like a door hanger. but those will run you about 20, 25 cents a flyer. You can go the cheap route and get, some flyers made, and you can put a rubber band on the flyer, staple the rubber band to the flyer, and hang them on people's doors. Get about 10 to 20,000 flyers, and start hanging them on. Don't If you want to put stuff like 45-day results, some of the things that you can dispute. You don't want the flyer to look crowded. Let me see a flyer that looks pretty crowded. Like this, it's just too much. It doesn't stand out to me. So you want something that stands out. Just kind of stand out. But I don't know. I don't like that one. Yeah, this stands out. Boom. This would be a perfect road sign, Fix your credit today. And, call Shannon at blah, 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 blah. That's awesome. That would be a really, really good sign. It stands out. The colors are yellow, red. Boom, it pops. So this would be a really good road sign to catch people's attention. This is cool. I like this little flyer here. You can also put promotion just to pique people's interest to get the phone ringing. You can put that you're running a $20 promotion, and then when people call you, you can just say, hey, the promotion just ended yesterday, but we're actually starting another promotion. Usually, most credit repair services will run you about $500 to get the service done, but we're running another promotion for just $87. And it's a little cool way just to get the phone ringing so people can call you to pique their interest. That's what you really want. You just need exposure, exposures. Alright, so yeah, flyers are really cool. Road signs, put them in busy intersections. If you put the road sign on, let's just say you put it and you post it on a Friday, the city won't pick. Remember, most government jobs are Monday through Friday. So let's say you post it Friday afternoon. That sign might stay there till Monday, I mean, because the city usually don't pick work on the weekends. So you can get that sign sitting there on the weekend, and imagine how much traffic you can get. Put the sign right by the highway. When people get off the highway, there's a red light, and you stick it in the grass. You're gonna get a lot of views. Put it on a no U-turn sign. That's a lot of views, a lot of exposure. So that's another cool way to get some exposures. Now, once you get advanced and you get really good at explaining the business, there's Craigslist. There's different parts of Craigslist. You can advertise your business, and you can advertise your business and pay for advertising to get credit agents. And you can put now hiring credit agents. Now hiring credit agents, you can make it look more of a job type thing, and you can put full-time, part-time, earn weekly pay of 500 to 3,500 a week. Email me for more info or something like that. Something, just make it more of like, and then what you can do is host a meeting and say, we're having an orientation on Thursday, and whoever's hosting the meeting, you can get all those people there to get the exposure, and that can get you some signups. Do about 2 to 3. Instagram ads are not that expensive, depending on what city you're in. So I think it's a pretty cool way to really advertise your business. Okay, so that's that. Now there's people on Instagram that have a huge following. Alfred tipped me off that Baller Alert is who he used for advertising, and basically it allows him to get a lot of views from his posts. So let me see if this is Baller Alert's post. No, hold on. But yeah, it allows him to get a lot of views from his posts, because you want to, let's just say you find someone with a big following, and what I do is I send them a script, and it says so I can find a script. Well, I emailed it, so It's somewhere along the lines like I want to thank you for your success. See that see if I can find my script. It's basically just me thanking them on their success and asking them how much they charge for shoutouts. That's basically the script, to be honest, guys. And you know, different people will give you different quotes depending on who it is. So yeah, you just have to shop around and see who will give you the best quote. If you guys need the script on how to approach people with huge following, but imagine if someone give you a shout out with, you know, Baller has 2.5 million followers. So these, I mean, usually people with millions of followers will charge you anywhere between 500 to $1,000. So yeah, they're a little pricey, but you're getting 2 million people to to see your post, which is ridiculous. And that's a lot of people, guys. I mean, that's a lot of people. Ball Alert does post a lot, as you can see here, but look how much traffic he gets on his posts. Look for, but you know, you can find people who are cheaper. You know, just look for people who are you don't want to look for people like big celebrities. You don't want to like look for people like Will Smith or Jada Pinkett or you know Wesley Snipes. Those people are not going to get back to you. And you want to look for people who are like, I would say, um, on reality TV, those type of celebrities. Well, they're not really celebrities, but they get a lot of exposure because people watch those reality TV shows. So, you know, like you know, Housewives and I don't know, Bad Girls Club, whatever it is. You know, you want to look for reality TV stars. You know, those type of people because people follow those. Well, I mean, believe it or not, they do follow them. They have a following, maybe not in the millions. Some of them do, but you know, you want people who have 250,000 followers or better, and you want to look. Don't just fall for anything. So you want to look, make sure the person has at least, you know, because some people pay for likes, so you got to be careful. So you want to look at their videos, and you want to look at their engagement. How many comments? Because some people have like 5,000 likes but 3 comments. You don't want that person to give you a shout out because most likely that person is paying for likes. And they're paying for likes to get people to make their page look like it's popular. It's not real engagement. It's not real people. They're paying for the views. So you want, this is how you can tell when it's real. You just look for people who post a video and you look at the comments. How many comments is he getting on that video? Is it 50 to 100 more comments? So you want to look for people who are getting at least anywhere in the average 50 to 100 comments or better. And look at the likes and of course the followers. But the comments is really important because when people are engaging, then you know they get a lot of traffic. So if they post your post, you're going to get a lot of engagements, which is really cool. So yeah, that's another trick. You know, just you know, email them to see what they charge, and you know, say, hey, I want to congratulate you on your success. You know, I'm just curious. You know, what do you charge for giving shout outs? And people will give you different quotes. You know, maybe you can reason with people. If it's weekly, you probably can get a cheaper price. And that's just another great way of paid advertising. Craigslist, I told you, you can do paid advertising for that. I showed you guys Facebook. I showed you road signs. You can get flyers made. You can get a car magnet on your truck. And there was one guy who was real clever. He would park his truck at Walmart, let it sit there for a few hours. Actually, no. Actually, he would go to work, have his wife drop him off, park his truck there, and it's funny. He would have the car magnet with saying credit repair, and people would just, you know, contact him because of the car magnet flyer that was on his vehicle, which is pretty cool. It's pretty funny. But yeah, guys, that's just some of the ideas of advertising. And you want to learn the script. You want to learn how to basically, when people contact you, what to say. You want to make sure that when people contact you, you know exactly what to say and how to say it. So when people are contacting you, just read the script. Ask them, what are you looking to get done? If they're contacting you about credit repair, and sound professional. You know, when people call me, I say, hello, this is Bruce speaking. How may I help you? Oh, hi, I saw you, you know, hey, this is such and such. I saw your post on Facebook. I saw your road sign. I wanted to contact you for more information about credit repair, and just have your script ready. Once you recite a script over and over and over, trust me, guys, it gets pretty repetitive, and you'll memorize it to the point where you know how to ask people questions. Your job isn't to sell. Your job is to expose. Give people the information, answer their questions, let them know, okay, this is what you charge. When people call me, I say, what are you looking to get done? Are you trying to get a house, car, negative items deleted? They say they're trying to get a house. I say, what's your current credit score? They'll tell me it's a 520 or whatever. I say, okay, do you have an idea why it's so low? They say they have this, this, and this, and this. I said, so, but you are looking to get the negative items deleted, right? They say, yes. I say, okay, we can help you with that. We'll do a hard dispute. You'll see results in 45 to 90 days. It costs $87.87 a month for however long you want to use the service. It's not a contract, but we do recommend that you use the service within 4 to 6 months to get the best results. And I say, if you don't see any results in 6 months, you get your money back. How does that sound? They say, sounds good. And then I say, okay. So if I can show you a way where you can improve your credit score and get these results in 45 to 90 days, would you be willing to get started today? And then it's either yes or no. Okay? So that's it, guys. Send them your website. Tell them, I'll send you my website. You fill out the form. You're going to get an email from the company. And, you just send it give more, let them know what's going to happen. So, make yourself sound legitimate. You're going to get an email from the company to send in your documents. Once you get the email, just send them proof of your identification and you'll be in the system, guys. So that's basically it. This is our credit repair group. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. Let's make it happen. Getting ready for Vegas. I gave you guys a lot of marketing tips on how to advertise. It's not hard. So let's just advertise. You should be. I mean, you guys see how many people I get signed up a day or per week, and now you understand the reason why. So it's just about getting the word out there and letting people know what you do and putting quality over quantity. All right, let people know you're in business, because if people don't know that you're in business, you're going to be out of business. Thanks, guys. Hopefully this video helped on how to advertise and expose your business. Remember, we expose, we don't recruit. And the more you expose, the more you recruit. Don't focus on results, focus on exposure. And if you focus on that, trust me, you'll get so many people joining your business you won't even know what to do with it. Alright, guys, see you guys on the other side. Peace.